Well, speaking of travel, if summer trip prices were too expensive for you this year, this fall season could be a great time for traveling at a discount. Our own Kerry Hannon joins us now with more. So, Kerry, is now the time that I should be looking into taking that trip?
Good morning, Allie. Yes. It is a good time to travel, but you're going to have a lot of company. Normally, the fall season, things slow down a bit in terms of, the destinations aren't so crowded and all of those things. But this year, demand is really booming for all kinds of travel. International travel is a particular hotspot, but cruises, amazingly, cruises are up like 19% over last year. I mean, they're really booming. And so the summer, we saw, yes, okay, people really have happy feet. They want to get moving. And the good news is, okay, so yes, in fact, the destinations may be a little more crowded than you might have had last year, but the good news is that airfares are down from the summer, close to around 30% airfares are down. You can find some really great deals, some good opportunities there. If you're driving, gas prices have been sliding since July. They fluctuate a bit, but they are on the way down. So this is a good thing if you want to hit the road with your car. And in addition to that, we're seeing some pretty good, not only are booking prices coming down, but some destinations, like I mentioned Asia being hot, there's some really significant savings to Tokyo, Shanghai, those kinds of cities. So I think that people don't put off the trip. Go do it. I mean, airfares and all the other hotel rates, so forth, will start ticking up in October, and they'll keep, inching up as we get through the holiday season, but they'll still be lower than travel was last year. And so I think we're seeing some great opportunities for people to really get out and do something. So yes, Allie, I would go plan your trip.
Love to hear that, Kerry. Now, when it comes to saving money, what are the best times for people to travel?
Yeah, there's some really hard and fast rules here. The big recommendation from all the travel pros I talk to is try to travel midweek. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are usually you're going to get the best airfares. In addition to that, we all know the nightmare of sitting at the airport with delays. Try to book that first flight of the day. Honestly, the chances of you not having a delay are so much better. So if you can bear getting up at the crack of dawn, go and do that, get that first flight out, you're going to be happier. And the thing I love to do, and I think it's really important, it's super easy today, you can set these airfare trackers on Hopper has it, Kayak, Google Flights has it. When you know where you want to go and roughly the days you want to travel, it'll ping you when the fares go up or down in there, and you'll get a sense of, yeah, okay, I ought to nail this down right now. So it's always a good way to help you shop for the best airfare, because there truly are, down from the summer, there are deals out there, and you might as well just be prepared that you're not going to be alone out there.
All right, Kerry Hannon with the advice to take the trip, which I always love. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Allie.